to my channel. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today I have part one of a big charity shop haul. So I'm going to split it into clothes and home decor because there is just so much, and today is going to be home decor. If you haven't seen the kind of come thrift with me part of this video, then check out yesterday's video where I actually went charity shopping. You can see kind of what I was looking at, and then kind of just a vlog of the day. But today, as I say, I'm just going to focus on the home decor of things I picked up. I've also included two pieces that I got the other day that I haven't shown yet that are just gorgeous, so I need to show. But if you'd like to see what I got, then just keep watching. So I'm going to start with the things I got the other day. I literally went into one charity shop and got both of these. So one of the first things I saw was this gorgeous vase. Now this was £3. It has got a marking on the bottom. I will insert a picture of a close-up of this because I'm not going to show you on here. It's got kind of scratched in. I don't know if that's someone scratched that in or if that's the person who made it. It does, I think, say pottery. Anyway, it's this gorgeous vase. This was £3 and this is just beautiful. Like, I love these sort of colours. I like the warm tone of the orange, but then still kind of the neutral of kind of the rest of the vase. I do love a vase, and I probably have too many now, but I just think this is gorgeous. Some of it's soft, some of it's rough, and I just think this is a gorgeous kind of piece that I wouldn't really see in the shops nowadays, and I think it's super fun. It's giving me major like Urban Outfitters Anthropology vibes, which, to be fair, if anything gives me that vibe, I want it. And especially in the charity shop, I think a lot of things do kind of give off that kind of vibe, and I just love this so much. And I just couldn't pass this up. I saw it and was like, I need this. And I think it looks a bit like these bits kind of dripped down, and I like the kind of organic look to it. And yeah, for £3, I thought this was gorgeous. This thing, maybe it was a bit of an impulse buy. I want to buy some more prints and artwork and things to go up on my shelves. I got one from the Natural History Museum the other day, and then I picked up this, which the frame is just too kind of orange for the room. I have got this kind of shade of wood in it, but not on my shelf. My shelves are all white. However, I put this on my bedside table, and I do think it works. It's basically just this art piece. Again, this was £3, so still super cheap. But I might try and whitewash this. But I don't know how this will take, because it kind of looks a bit like kind of wood chippings. But I've seen people where they basically get artwork and they basically water down some white paint and kind of go over it, so it kind of gives that watered down white look, so it kind of just tones down any colours that are a bit too intense. So as this was only £3, I might try and do that, and if not, I might just spray the frame white and then keep the picture inside neutral. I think it's just the super warm tones of the wood that's kind of throwing me off for that side of my room. Even though I've got a lot of this wood colour in there, I just think that this toned down a little bit, even just with a white frame, would be fine. And I am going to show you something else. I'm going to spray the frame white as well, so I might just spray it both white. And to do that, I'll probably do a tutorial on how to do that if you've got artwork like this, which is in a frame that I wouldn't really want to take out. So how you can kind of sandwich this off and then just paint it white. But yes, I got this, £3. Not quite sure I love it. I'm a bit unsure. It's very quirky, and I feel like I want things to be quirky and a bit more unique. A lot of my furniture is like IKEA and things like that, so I kind of want to make it a little bit more unique. So I picked up that. Then from today, I got a couple of baskets. This was from Cancer Research. It was £2. Oh, they were both from St Luke's Hospice in Billericay. This was Cancer Research in Basildon, and you know me, I can't pass up a basket when I see one. This one is very sturdy. The kind of scallop design around the edge kind of reminds me a little bit of the one that I got that is in kind of all my charity shop favourite videos, and it's just a gorgeous, very detailed little tray like this. This one's a bit more heavy duty, a bit thicker, and I really like these. I like these sitting on the side and pop like candles in your jewellery. I also think that these are great for hampers come Christmas time. Even if you just did this one with like some little, I don't know, like face mask, maybe a nail polish, I think that's really cute. But yeah, I can never pass up a basket when I see one. For £2, I think this is great. In shops like Urban Outfitters, Anthropology, these are so expensive. For any of these things, I'll try and find kind of what they're duping, and kind of similar items like it. But yeah, I love this a lot. For £2, I thought it's perfect, and it's super sturdy, so that's really good. Again, on the basket lines, this one's a little bit more kind of thin. I don't really know how to describe it. This is more of a fruit bowl, I'd say, size-wise. Again, this was £2, and yeah, it's just like a big fruit bowl. I'm probably going to save this and do a hamper in this. Again, come Christmas time, I also do a lot of raffles for Simply Vibrant, which is my beauty studio. So this could be one of the things I use for a raffle and then put prizes in it for charity. But I'm not sure yet, but I like to keep these. I have a whole box of boxes and baskets, and then come Christmas time, or if I'm organising a room and I want something, I've got something. So these are great. Even I just love these sort of things for literally anything. I'm thinking for parties, if you want to do, you could put like kind of line it with like a nice tea towel and then put some fresh bread in it and rolls and things like that. I just think these are so versatile, and this one is a little bit bent out of shape, but I did kind of have to squidge it to get in a bag, so that could have been me, but it will just bend back into shape. But I like this as well, and it's also got kind of more, it's got kind of the lighter tone of the wicker in it, but it's also got these blacks and these browns inside as well, which just kind of make it a little bit more versatile and kind of go with different themes. But yeah, love this one a lot. And then finally for home decor, I looked through their artwork. As I said, I'm trying to find some different artwork pieces, and I like this. I'm going to change the frame, or spray the frame more like, and it's just this really cute kind of, I'm gonna say cross stitch embroidery, I don't know. It's some sort of craft that they've done on this, and it says "see anything yet?" and it's like two meerkats standing on top of each other, and I just thought that was really cute. So my bedroom is all completely neutrals, and I thought these like neutral colours in it, but then also you got the texture of the fabric, and I just thought this was super different, and I liked it. Mum said, "Are you going to claim that you did it?" And I was like, no, I'm not. I'm going to definitely say this is £1, as it says on here, and I just thought this was fun. I always look through the frames of and all the artwork, and you can get such lovely pieces. If you saw my video yesterday, I'll insert the clip over this, and it was this gorgeous piece of art from the British Heart Foundation in their furniture shop, and it was just a tiny bit too tall. I wouldn't have anywhere to put it, but it was so gorgeous, and the colours in it, that one was £10, a bit more expensive, but as I say, £1 for this, super happy with it. It is just kind of taped in the back, so I might be able to kind of take this off and spray paint it a little bit easier, or I might literally just spray paint over it. But yeah, I really like this one. I thought it was super funky. I'm sure it probably was meant for a kid's room, but you know, I don't mind. But that's everything I got for today's home decor haul. Make sure you check out Wednesday's video to see all of the clothes I picked up. And yeah, let me know what your favourite pieces is. Let me know what sort of home decor you look for in the charity shops, because I know everyone kind of has different things, whether it's glassware or plates or baskets like me. Just let me know in the comments what's your favourite thing to look out for in the charity shops, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!